Hello everyone, we are solving this problem. We have two variables x and y, and they're related such that y varies inversely as the square of x. So we can write this: y is directly proportional to 1 over x squared. Okay, that's what it means. Y varies inversely as the square of x means y is directly proportional to 1 over x squared. So part A says to write an equation and x, y, and k to describe the inverse variation where k is the constant of variation. So y would be equal to k multiplied by 1 over x squared. All right, so y would be equal to k multiplied by 1 is k over x squared. That's the answer for part A. Part B now, we have a table of values here, and we are told to use the table to calculate k, the constant of variation. So let's use the values of x and y here. When x is equal to 3, when x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2. So let's substitute these values. We're going to substitute these values into y is equal to k over x squared, which we got in part A. So y is equal to 2 and x is equal to 3. So we have k over 3 squared, which is equal to k over 9, because 3 squared equal 3 multiplied by 3, which is 9. So k is equal to 2 multiplied by 9, which is 18, when we solve this equation. So we have the value of k as 18. Let's go to part 2. This was part 1. Let's go to part 2. We're going to find r now. So when x is equal to 1.8, y is equal to r. We are using our equation y is equal to k over x squared. So it's now 18 over x squared, because k is equal to 18. We worked that out in the previous part. So let's now substitute. So we have y is equal to r is equal to 18 over x squared, which is 1.8 squared, which is equal to 18 over 1.8 multiplied by 1.8, which is equal to 3.24. So let's now divide 18 by 3.24. Now we get 5.56, which is approximately 5.6. It's approximately 5.6 as equal to r. Okay, so y would be equal to 5.6. Okay, when x is equal to 1.8. So let's move on to part 3, B part 3. We have to find f now. So we have x is equal to f and y is equal to 8. We use our equation. Our equation is y is equal to 18 over x squared. And we want to substitute, so y would be equal to 8 is equal to 18 over f squared. So f squared would be equal to 18 over 8. So we work this out, 18 divided by 8 equal to 2.25. Now we have to find the square root of 2.25, because we take the square root of both sides of the equation. Or we get 1.5. So f is equal to 1.5, and that's our answer. So these are our answers. Thanks for watching, and do have a good day.